Welcome to another video with www.dampwalls.co.za. Today we're in Parkhurst looking at multiple points of entry into the damp. So the problem is we underground this side. As you can see, the step goes up to the ground level. We've got water entering from underneath this door, and that's water that runs down the door and gets in behind the step. We've got a recessed atrium here with the drainage system in it, so if the water can get to the drainage area, then it's not a problem. So what we came up with as a solution would be to chop out from the threshold going back and angle that concrete down to throw water away into the drainage area. Another solution would be one of those aluminium squeegee things against the door, which would pinch with the roller against the threshold, and as you close the door it squeegees and presses against the concrete at the bottom. Another point of entry was underneath this garage door. As you can see, with the extension goes through the door, the light is not consistent. This is a brand new door, by the way, but it's been installed with the lower limit too high, and as you can see there's light coming through on the left and the right. Another point of entry of water was these JoJo tanks overflowing into the garage and causing household items to rot and cause mold. Mold is a big problem in health, and it will cause bronchial, ear, nose and throat problems. So how do we solve mold? Well, you've got to get rid of the moisture or cut off the oxygen. Follow some further videos and make it a great day.